Design engineering consultants are experts in both simulation and measurement. What we do is merge the real and virtual worlds in order that we can accelerate product development or problem solve for our clients. We work across a number of industries, from the renewable sector. We do a lot in wind turbine simulation, tidal turbines. We also do a lot in the logistics space, robotics, right through to medical devices. So a very broad market. So in terms of design engineering, our uniqueness, it's the validating of the simulations and the expertise in producing the simulations, which allow us to really accelerate our clients' technologies. A digital twin for me is a simulation which is linked to the real world in order that it responds exactly as a real world version of it was. We've produced digital twins for the likes of GE Renewables, the world's largest onshore wind turbine, where we actually measure the wind turbine and then produce a version of this in the virtual world, utilising CAD packages with SOLIDWORKS. And we're able to understand what's going on with these systems and actually improve them at a much greater rate than we would be able to without a digital twin. Using SOLIDWORKS and simulation allows you to make better engineering decisions. One of my favourite phases is you can visualise invisible phenomena. So, you know, in terms of electromagnetics or dynamics, it really allows you to understand what's actually going on. Our default go-to CAD package is SOLIDWORKS. Many of our clients use it in the market space. So we want to be able to engage with our clients. We want to be able to get close to the simulations, and running the same software package as our clients allows us to achieve that. So there are multiple benefits to simulation. You cut out the number of physical prototypes. Your time to product launch is significantly reduced. Your risk of technical failure or ultimately returns on a product is diminished, and you'll get to market faster. Without it, we wouldn't be able to achieve what we do. BOMs, materials, when we produce components for our testing, we'll often run those through and produce those in SOLIDWORKS so that we can then send them off to be laser cut or additive manufactured for our projects. So it is quite holistic, and the offering from SOLIDWORKS has only increased recently to allow much more holistic project organisation and support. One of the products we designed and ran using SOLIDWORKS was a personal vibration meter. So people with exposure to hand-on vibration get nerve damage. So using SOLIDWORKS, we designed a product that could actually measure real-time the vibrations that people were exposed to when they're using power tools. We designed and produced, obviously cutting down the number of physical iterations, various versions of this in order that the device itself could deal with the robust and challenging conditions that is the construction sector. So one of the graphics you can see there is looking at drop testing, so we had to ensure that this device was robust enough, and therefore the drop test simulations allowed us to reduce the number of tests that we did and ultimately calibrate that against real world data to get a product ahead of the competition. You know, simulating using SOLIDWORKS is safer and cheaper than the real world. You can get to market quicker and you can beat the competition. It's no longer about do you use simulation or not, it's are you a leader in simulation? And with the support of SOLIDWORKS, we're able to maintain our leader status in simulation.